Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Nimble CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add tags to your contacts in Nimble CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to tag your contacts in Nimble CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you might have a huge list of contacts that have various interests. So if you tag them, you can go ahead and segregate your audience for more effective marketing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Nimble CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Nimble CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and tag your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on contacts. It looks like two little people. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of your contacts that you have inside Nimble CRM. And in order to tag your contacts, you're just going to scroll through until you see the contacts you want to tag. So for example, this one and this one. Now you can tag contacts one by one, or you can tag large swaths of contacts at the same time. So just check all the contacts you want to tag. So we have these three. Once you've checked all of the contacts you want to tag, up here on the top left, you're going to see a little tag button. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you can go ahead and add a tag. So for example, let's say these three people like Chinese food. I'm going to go ahead and type in Chinese food and then click here, create. And let's go ahead and add another one. So let's say that they like coffee also. Okay. And we'll create coffee, and then we're going to click on add. Okay. So now you can see it's updating. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes. So now we have tagged those three contacts with Chinese food and with coffee. So now what we can do is, if we have a huge list of, let's say, 1,000 contacts, we don't have to look through and try to decide who likes Chinese food or who likes coffee. We can easily just click right here, segment search. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and click on tags, and we're going to go ahead and search. Let's go ahead and search by coffee. I chose coffee. I'm going to update. Okay. So now we have the three contacts that were tagged as coffee. So maybe we want to see who likes Mexican food, who likes Chinese food, who likes Italian food. So as you can see, you can go ahead and segment your audience and your contacts with whatever tags that you want. You can also click here and go and add another tag. And let's go ahead and add Chinese food and update. So now out of all of our contacts, these three folks are interested in coffee, and they're also interested in Chinese food. So we can kind of focus it down even more. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to tag your contacts in your Nimble CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.